Let's start with your toothpaste's origins. It's easy to overlook the humble beginnings of something you use every single day, but the story behind your toothpaste is surprisingly complex and fascinating. You squeeze a dollop onto your brush, but do you know what's inside? Each swirl of paste is the result of a global supply chain, intricate chemistry, and careful sourcing. The journey begins with raw materials, abrasives that actually clean your teeth. These gritty particles are the backbone of toothpaste, scrubbing away plaque and stains with every brush. Some of these abrasives come from animal bones, ethically sourced and certified for use. It might sound unusual, but animal bones have been used for centuries in various industries, prized for their mineral content. These bones are processed into bone ash, rich in calcium phosphate, which is actually similar to the mineral makeup of your own teeth and bones. This connection to biology is what makes bone ash so effective and safe. But minerals play a big role too. Limestone, silica sand, and phosphate rock, all mined from the earth. Each mineral is carefully selected for its unique properties, ensuring your toothpaste is both effective and gentle. These minerals are ground down to a fine powder, achieving just the right texture, tough on plaque, gentle on enamel. The grinding process is precise, balancing cleaning power with safety for your teeth. Then there's glycerin, arriving in massive tanker trucks and stored in huge tanks at the factory. Glycerin is a clear, syrupy liquid that plays a crucial role in toothpaste production. Glycerin keeps the paste moist and squeezable, acting as a humectant. It prevents your toothpaste from drying out, ensuring it stays fresh and easy to use, even after weeks on your bathroom shelf. So, before your toothpaste is even mixed, it's a blend of ground rock, bone ash, and syrupy glycerin. These ingredients are measured and combined with scientific precision, setting the stage for the next steps in production. These humble ingredients are the unsung heroes of your morning routine. Without them, your toothpaste wouldn't clean, protect, or even come out of the tube the way you expect. It's not glamorous, but it's where every tube's story begins. The process is a blend of old-world materials and modern technology, all working together to create a product you rely on. From quarries and farms to factories, the journey is anything but clean. It's a story of transformation, turning raw earth and bone into something pure and essential. Yet, it's essential for making a product you trust every day. Rigorous quality control ensures that only the best ingredients make it into your toothpaste, keeping you safe and healthy. Next time you brush, remember, your toothpaste started as earth and bone. It's a reminder of how everyday items are deeply connected to the natural world. It's a full-circle process, connecting the natural world to your daily hygiene. The journey from raw material to finished product is a testament to human ingenuity and nature's resources, and that's just the beginning. The next time you pick up your toothbrush, you'll know there's a whole world inside that tube, one that starts with the earth itself. Now, those raw materials need transformation. Animal bones are heated in massive furnaces, turning them into sterile white ash, pure calcium phosphate. This ash is carefully inspected and stored in humidity-controlled rooms to prevent clumping. Minerals like limestone and silica are pulverized in industrial grinders, producing a fine, consistent powder. The gold particles small enough to clean, but not damage, your enamel. Engineers measure particle size in microns, ensuring each batch meets strict standards. Different toothpastes require different abrasives, gentler for sensitive teeth, tougher for whitening formulas. These powders are the muscle of your toothpaste, doing the real cleaning work. Without this precise process, toothpaste would be just a minty gel with no cleaning power. Every step is about control and consistency. The result, a safe, effective abrasive ready for blending. It's a microscopic balancing act, perfected over decades. This is where science meets grit, literally, and it's crucial for every smile. With abrasives and glycerin ready, it's time for the great mix-up, the moment when science, precision, and a bit of artistry come together to create the perfect toothpaste base. Inside giant stainless steel vats, robots and technicians combine precise amounts of each ingredient, following carefully calibrated recipes that have been refined over years of research. Quality checks start with the abrasive's relative dentin abrasivity, or RDA. If the powder is too rough, it could damage enamel. Too soft, and it won't clean effectively. Only the best make the cut. Approved powders are mixed with glycerin, water, and binders, forming a smooth, homogeneous slurry. This step is crucial for ensuring every squeeze of toothpaste is just as effective as the last. Technicians constantly monitor pH, aiming for a neutral 7.0 to protect your mouth from irritation. Even a slight deviation can affect both safety and taste. Adjustments are made in real time to hit the perfect balance, with experts tweaking temperature, mixing speed, and ingredient ratios as needed. Viscosity is measured. Nobody wants runny or rock-hard paste. The right thickness ensures the paste spreads easily, but stays put on your brush. The target is a squeezable, consistent texture that stays on your brush, never dripping or clumping, and always ready to deliver a perfect clean. Every batch is fine-tuned for safety, comfort, and effectiveness, with samples pulled for rigorous testing before moving forward. This isn't kitchen chemistry, it's industrial precision, where even the smallest detail can make a big difference in your daily routine. The result is a uniform paste, ready for the next round of tests, ensuring consistency from the first tube to the millionth. Every detail matters, from thickness to pH, and even the tiniest variation is logged and analyzed for quality assurance. The goal? A paste that cleans, protects, and feels just right, delivering a fresh, satisfying experience every time you brush. It's a delicate dance of science and engineering, with every team member playing a vital role in perfecting the blend, and it all happens before the paste ever sees a tube, long before it reaches your bathroom shelf. That's the art and science of blending the perfect toothpaste, setting the stage for the next steps in its journey to your smile. Mixing isn't the end. Now comes the quality gauntlet. Every tube of toothpaste must prove itself before it ever reaches your bathroom shelf. In the lab, every batch faces rigorous tests, overseen by skilled technicians and scientists who leave nothing to chance. Sophisticated machines check the paste's flow and structure, comparing it to a digital fingerprint of perfection. Even the tiniest inconsistency is flagged for review. Chromatograms break down the formula, ensuring no impurities sneak in. This high-tech analysis guarantees that every ingredient is exactly where it should be. Any deviation, and the batch is stopped cold. There's no room for error. Safety and quality always come first. Color and texture are checked by eye. No streaks or splotches allowed. Inspectors look for that perfect, creamy consistency every time. Flavor is tested by a sensory panel, guaranteeing the right minty kick. Only the best-tasting batches make the cut, ensuring your brushing experience is always fresh. Preservatives are challenged with microbes to ensure long-lasting safety. This step protects the paste from spoilage, even after months on the shelf. Every parameter, abrasiveness, pH, flavor, must meet strict standards. The formula is balanced to clean teeth without harming enamel or gums. Regulatory agencies like the FDA require full compliance. Audits and inspections are routine, keeping the process transparent and accountable. Only flawless batches move forward. Anything less is rejected, no matter how small the flaw. This relentless scrutiny ensures what's in the tube is safe and effective. Every result is documented, every standard double-checked. It's science, taste, and safety, all working together. Teams collaborate to solve problems and push quality even higher. The process is unforgiving, but it's what keeps your toothpaste trustworthy. Every step is designed to protect your smile. Every tube is a promise of quality, backed by science and dedication. Only after passing every test does the paste earn its way to packaging, ready to become part of your daily routine. That's how your toothpaste earns its stripes, through a journey of precision, care, and uncompromising standards. Approved paste heads straight to the packaging line. Massive vats connect to filling machines, keeping the process seamless and efficient. Empty tubes are loaded onto a carousel, filled from the bottom up to avoid air bubbles. Each tube receives a precise dose, no more no less. The open end is sealed with heat and pressure, embossing a code for traceability. Robotic arms box the tubes, seal them, and pack them into shipping cartons. The entire process is automated, fast, and meticulously timed. From mixing vat to boxed product, it's a continuous flow. Every tube is identical, every seal secure. It's the final step before your toothpaste leaves the factory. A marvel of modern manufacturing. The journey doesn't end at packaging. Traceability is key. Each tube's code links it to a digital record: ingredients, batch, test results, and production time. This system tracks every tube from factory to store shelf. If a problem arises, the company can pinpoint and recall only affected batches. It's a safety net that protects consumers and minimizes waste. This digital trail ensures accountability at every step. Retailers and customers can trust what's inside. That tiny code is a promise of safety and quality. It's invisible assurance, built into every tube. The system is always watching, always ready. That's peace of mind you can't see, but you can count on. Toothpaste factories never sleep. Production runs 24/7. Operations teams monitor every detail, hunting for bottlenecks and inefficiencies. Even small tweaks like rerouting glycerin pipes can boost output by 10%. Continuous improvement is the mantra. Analyzing data, testing ideas, and solving problems fast. Every second counts in this high-pressure environment. It's a behind-the-scenes job that keeps your toothpaste on the shelf. Toothpaste innovation never stops. Scientists and engineers are always developing better formulas, more effective, more sustainable, less wasteful. R&D teams experiment with new abrasives, improved fluoride delivery, and eco-friendly ingredients. They test on artificial teeth, analyze results, and refine formulas. Waste reduction is a big focus. Less leftover paste, less environmental impact. Every breakthrough means a cleaner, safer, and smarter product. The lab is always working on tomorrow's toothpaste. The goal: healthier smiles and a healthier planet. The future of toothpaste is being invented right now. After all that, what matters is your smile. Toothpaste's journey, from rocks and bones to your brush, is all about protecting enamel and gums. Carefully crafted abrasives remove plaque without harming enamel. Neutral pH and gentle formulas keep your mouth healthy and comfortable. Gum health matters, too. Good toothpaste soothes and protects. Every step, every test, every tweak is for your dental health. Next time you brush, remember the science and effort behind that squeeze. It's a dirty, complex job, but it keeps you smiling. All that work, distilled into a single squeeze. That's why it matters.